Hi everybody, this is Bob. You may or may not be. I'm in Thailand. This is an update on the Thai drone laws for anybody who's thinking of coming to Thailand with a drone or flying one in Thailand. We'd like to do a special shout out to our subscribers. You're the best. Now you're supposed to have your drone registered with CAAT, that's the Thailand Commercial Aviation Authority, and their website will be in the description of the video. I have not seen any enforcement anywhere in the north of Thailand since they passed the law. I have heard about people who are trying to fly on the Thai islands and the national parks that have run into some problems with the authorities. Now, out of 45,000 estimated drones in Thailand, we managed to get registered in the 158th registration approved. So we didn't do that bad, but it was painful to wait for 4 months after we had already had to buy insurance, and then we couldn't fly while they were approving the application. So that format might be improved upon if they just let you have a copy of your insurance information in your cell phone. Thailand is an interesting situation because they seem to have more laws than enforcement. I don't mean that as a criticism. I simply am stating what I've seen. I've ridden over 25,000 kilometers in Thailand and filmed with 4 different cameras, and been here for going on 4 years. So that's what I've observed, and I'm not trying to criticize. Now the law states if you import a drone in your luggage or otherwise, you're supposed to have insurance and a registration. However, I have yet to hear of anyone having an experience in which they were asked for insurance or registration upon entry to Thailand. I will say this though, as is the case in many countries, if you're flying into the capital of that country, all of the people they train to do immigration and customs are probably being observed by their teachers, and they will do a more thorough job than other airports. And in Thailand, there are 6 or 8 international airports, so you can count on most of them having less scrutiny than Bangkok. Probably the most interesting experience I had with the drone here in Thailand was I was flying at a temple that's north of Chiang Mai, and a monk came out and he wanted to fly my drone, so he flew the drone around the temple and had a big time, and that's my most unusual and unique experience with the drone. The rest of it is go up, go down, go over yonder. One heads up I will warn you about is this. If you ship in a drone, it's possible you'll have to get a Thai import license. My drone came out of New York, B&H, and they seized it. Well, they didn't seize it, but they just took it to the import house and notified me that I was going to have to get an import license because of the value of the drone. So I don't know if it's significantly cheaper if you buy a drone here, but Thailand is not import friendly for Harley Davidsons or drones or a lot of stuff. So you might want to do your homework on that if you're planning to send the drone ahead or ship it out to a newer country. We've had really great luck with our new subscribers this week, and while I want to thank everybody out there for watching the video, I invite you to take a look at some of our other 260 videos, basically about Thailand, China, Korea, Taiwan, Myanmar, Malaysia, New Zealand, Australia, and even a few from the United States. Thanks again for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. We'd certainly like to get to know you. And if you subscribe to me and you have a channel, let me know in the comments and I'll subscribe back. We all got to work together to get paid in YouTube land. My best to you. Bye-bye.